Welcome to Rebuild Your Life, a lifestyle development project to help you build a better life. This is our video on oats and the many benefits it brings our bodies. Oats are a great source of important vitamins, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. Being a gluten-free whole grain, oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. Most people eat oats as a high-fiber breakfast cereal, but oats also comes as a flour, rolled oats, and oat bran. Oats can be added to bread, muffins, biscuits, pancakes, pasta, and also in some fillings. One of the easiest ways of eating it is oatmeal, which is where you cook oats with some water and it becomes a creamy textured porridge, which makes oatmeal great at breakfast time. Oats are among the most nutrient-dense food you can eat. They are very high in many vitamins and minerals, are rich in carbohydrates and fiber, but also higher in protein and fat than most other grains. Oats are also rich in antioxidants and plant compounds called polyphenols. These antioxidants assist in lowering blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide. Nitric oxide assists in dilating blood vessels and leads to an improved blood flow, which has an anti-inflammatory and an anti-itching effect. A soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which makes the oats a thick-like gel in the gut, creates many more benefits for the consumer. The health benefits include lower blood sugar levels and insulin response, lower cholesterol levels, an increase in the feeling of fullness, and an increase in the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract. Those with type 2 diabetes and overweight people can be helped, as it lowers the blood sugar levels and may improve insulin sensitivity due to the beta-glucan in oats. Oats may lower the risk of heart disease by reducing the total and the LDL cholesterol and protecting the LDL cholesterol from oxidation. Oatmeal may help you lose weight by curbing the desire to eat due to making you feel full. It does this by slowing down the emptying of the stomach and increasing production of the satiety hormone. Finely ground oats can treat dry and itchy skin and may alleviate symptoms of various skin conditions, including eczema. Some research also suggests oats may help prevent asthma in children when fed to them as young infants. Oats also helps with constipation. One trial, on 30 elderly patients who ate oat bran daily for 12 weeks, found that 59% of these patients stopped using a laxative, while the overall laxative intake increased by 8% in the control group. Even though oats are gluten-free, there are many people who can't tolerate oats because the oats are generally processed where the wheat is. Celiacs need to opt for a gluten-free brand. Other people also have undesirable symptoms when consuming oats, even in the gluten-free version. For more information, or to find us on Facebook, click on the links in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive updates when new videos are posted. Have a healthy day.